So Louisville.
Yeah.
I've heard a couple variations just in the short time we've been down here.
I have been told you just have to let it fall out of your mouth. It's like, lol.
Yeah, that's a good way to describe it. Let it fall
What
out
I-
of your mouth. Louisville, Kentucky. Bourbon, barbecue, the Derby, Muhammad Ali. A city nestled along the Ohio River that saw its industrial renaissance take place in the early 1800s. You might know Louisville for the baseball bats or the nearly 100 distilleries across the state of Kentucky. But there's more to this town that makes it one of the most pivotal manufacturing regions in the U.S. What does manufacturing mean to this area? Because I feel like it's a best kept secret town right now.
It's our future. It's our path forward. It's a great place to start a business, to start a manufacturing company.
And you think about what manufacturing is, it is jobs. It is a backbone of the community. We're selling lighting and we're selling plant automation and safety, but we're helping to create jobs. We're working to solve problems. How do we make our customers successful? How do we put them forward? We are here to service our people. It's why we exist.
There are literally hundreds of companies that do everything from build panels to design and build conveyor systems and sortation systems, focused right here in the greater Louisville area. Then you look at the distilling operation. I mean, bourbon is king around here. The distilling market is going crazy.
It's a cornerstone to our market, and there's a lot of buying around that. And there's a lot of pride and joy in drinking it as well.
When I first moved to Kentucky, I had no idea that there were more barrels of bourbon in Kentucky than there were people. Out of the economic impact, you get into just the social impact. There are basements people have like this that can be furniture, it can be wall decorations and barrel heads, but there are a lot of things here that, it's just a part of life.
What else characterizes this as just a great town? Well, a bunch of people flock to Nashville for the bachelor and bachelorette parties. Louisville's up here doing its own thing, and it's pretty cool.
Louisville in general, it's diverse because a lot of people move to Louisville for work.
A lot of good culture, from horses to bourbon and industry in between, but it's people, and people make that all happen, and people make that all relevant. As outsiders to the Louisville community, we've grown to call this home, and it's been a joy. Manufacturing, it's key to what we do, and being an American, and manufacturing here, made in America, having some of that here brings a lot of pride to this community. We've got some great manufacturers, which is a big piece of that, and I think one feeds itself. More industry coming in, more investment, big investment being made, and I don't think it's any accident that Kentucky, that greater Louisville area has been selected for a lot of those investments. We've got great people, we've got willing workers and talented workers, and that's built upon a lot of the history and rich history of manufacturing that's here.